significant guy in that?
I don't know.
No. I think so. I think so.
We'll
just
have to look
guessing.
it up.
Just guessing the news. This is a look out of the coastline. That is Cayucas, and obviously we've got some nice clear skies out there. Just kind of looking at the situation, and we're going to see more of that really nice condition at beach communities. But be on KSBY hashtag. This is what we saw a lot of today on social media, those car thermometers. And by the way, if you're like going down a road, definitely have your passenger take the picture. But you know, car thermometers are not that bad as long as you've got enough air moving past the equipment. So 109 up in Paso Robles today. Cecil Horton out in Templeton, nearly 110. These old gauges are just fine. If you have them in shaded areas and you're getting the free airflow, they're not that bad. And another 110 up in Paso Robles. Look at the humidity, 19%. Woo, hot. And you know what? Tomorrow could be just as hot. Hashtag be on KSBY, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Big ridge of high pressure across the west is producing a lot of surface high pressure. What that's doing is squishing the marine layer. This is not a heat wave driven by strong northeasterly winds. This is no Santa Ana style event. So that's why you see beach communities so dramatically cooler, up to 50 degrees cooler than the hot interior temperatures. Well, we talk about this sort of common sense advice, but people still need to hear it. Just got to slow down, plan for these kind of days, dress for the heat, watch what you eat, don't overeat, drink plenty of water, and again, just stay out of the direct sun. Think about what's inside your car, pets, plants, people, my goodness, and air-conditioned places. You know, with the rolling blackouts or brownouts, you know, that is definitely a thing to also keep in mind. You know, maybe you can run out to the beach, San Luis, Santa Maria, or one of those places over the peak heat of the day and just kind of ease up on the air. That does help everybody out. Here's a look at that big ridge, and it's going to stay in place through the balance of the week. Now, as we get into the weekend, I think we see a little bit of weakness here at the surface high pressure, but you can see that this general feature lasts until the middle of next week. So the daytime highs in the interior, even though they'll come off this 110 potential, it's still going to hover around 97 to 105, I think, into next week. 73 Santa Barbara, 95 Gaviota, and 78 in Solvang. 68 Santa Maria and San Luis, 104 in Paso Robles. So temperatures have not backed off over this entire hour. It's been pretty interesting to watch. Again, if you're just kind of looking at the conditions out there, you'll also notice some haze. We just talked about some of these current conditions here, but the haze is significant. Winds 13 miles per hour in Lompoc. The weather watchers today showing us a daytime high 107 at Tascadero, but just 59 in Morro Bay. 108 in Paso Robles, 113 the record for the day. And when we take a look at the pattern here, there's no significant change. Mild and breezy at the coast, hot weather in the interior for at least the next 2 days before some slight change in the pattern coming up into the upcoming weekend. So 92 in San Luis, 109 Paso Robles, 96 Santa Barbara. San Luis Obispo is a tough call at 92 because Santa Maria is only 80 degrees. San Luis is very much wedged in between where that cool air, warm air line is going to be. But Los Alamos, Santa Ynez is going to be warm, California Valley. AG, Napomo near 80 tomorrow, 67 Los Osos, 109 San Miguel. Extended forecast, the trend here is definitely down once we get into the weekend, but you'll notice it just doesn't drop off. It basically just sags, that heat. Dropping off to about 97 in Paso Robles, still plenty warm, and San Luis Obispo goes from about 90 to about 80. Back after this.